Welcome back. Let's make gravy, also known as Italian meat sauce. Season sweet Italian sausage and boneless pork chops on both sides with salt and pepper. Into a frying pan over medium heat, oil, then add the sausage, cook for 3 to 4 minutes, then add the pork chops, and cook those for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Cover and keep warm. Into a large pot, crushed tomatoes, cooked yellow onions, Italian herb seasoning, pour in water, and the frying oil from cooking meatballs. Season with salt and pepper, bring up to a boil, reduce to low, cover, and simmer for 1 hour. In goes tomato paste and the sausage and pork. Simmer for another hour and a half. With about 15 minutes left, add meatballs and a little bit of sugar. And there we have it, gravy, also known as Italian meat sauce. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.